Hello, my name is, and my case scenario is to produce a how-to video on a business in the music industry. If you've ever had the desire to sing in a studio, one of the most important tools you will need to maximize your voice is a microphone. I'm here today to show you how to purchase a microphone. First, you will need to establish a budget that will fit the market for the microphones that you can afford. Number two, you need to do the research on those particular microphones that fall within that budget. And lastly, we need to test the microphones to make sure that the sound produced is one that you want. Let's start with your budget. You need to determine how much money you're willing to spend or that you can afford in order to purchase a microphone. Since most likely this is your first time singing in a studio, then you could probably start with a starter microphone. These should fall within your budget categories, and they're the best place to start. And if you decide that you want to improve the sound, you can always upgrade at a later date. So once you've figured out your budget, now we can do the research on the microphones that fall within that budget. You can look for reviews on websites that give reviews about the particular microphones in your budget category. You can ask professionals such as musicians what they would recommend and what works best. You need to research as many different microphones as you possibly can in order to find the best results. Now that we've done the research, we can move on to testing the microphones. We need to test the microphones in a setting that most closely resembles your home studio. And in that case, you can produce the sound that you will get when you do your own recording. You need to record the different microphones so that you can get each signature sound that each microphone produces. And then you need to find the signature sound that you want for your voice to sound like and then go with that microphone. So in closing, I've given you three different ways and processes that you need to produce or that you need to purchase a microphone. Number one, you need to establish your budget. Number two, you need to do the research on those microphones that are within your budget. And number three, you need to test those microphones in a setting that most closely resembles your home studio. That way you can get your unique sound that you're looking for. I've given you three different things that'll help you purchase a microphone, and I hope this has helped you today.